Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. Today we'll be analyzing our banking stock. The name of the banking stock is YES Bank Limited. The Excel spreadsheet in front of you is an Excel program wherein banking stocks financial data are used to arrive at a conclusion onto whether to invest in that particular banking stock or not at this point of time. The financial data is taken from an app known as the Stock Edge app. So in the Stock Edge app search bar, we type YES Bank Limited. We could see here the last traded price for YES Bank Limited was 210.15 on 22nd October 2018. Now let's go to the fundamental tab and understand about the sector, industry and the company. The sector is banking. The industry is bank, private. Now let's understand about the bank. YES Bank was incorporated in 2004 by Rana Kapoor and late Ashok Kapoor and is a new age private sector bank. YES Bank offers a full range of client-focused corporate banking services, including working capital finance, specialized corporate finance, trade and transactional services, treasury risk management services, investment banking solutions, and liquidity management solutions. The business area of the company includes corporate and institutional banking, business banking, and retail banking. So this was about the bank. Now coming on to the financial indicators, we'll be using these financial values onto our Excel program. So the first parameter is market cap, which is 5313.93 crores, clearly a large cap bank. Earning per share is 19.55. Price to earning ratio is 11.13, whereas industry price to earning ratio is 13.36. Book value per share is 116.91. Price to book value is 1.86. The dividend yield is 1.24. The face value of the company is 2. Now the value of gross NPA, net NPA, total advances and total provisions, will have to go to the Money Control website to get those data. So for that we go to Money Control website and type in YES Bank Limited. So here we click on the financials and we could see by default balance sheet of YES Bank Limited is open. We'll also be needing the profit and loss statement, so we'll open it in other tab. Now in the balance sheet we look for gross NPA. The gross NPA is 2626.80. So we put here 2626.80. Next is net NPA. So the net NPA is 1312.75. 1312.75. The total advances is 203533.86. 203533.86, and total provision is what you'll get in the profit and loss statement. Total provisions is 3523.55. 3523.55. Now we come on to the return ratio. For that we'll be using Stock Edge app. Under the ratios tab we click under the drop down menu return ratios. The first is return on equity, which is 17.72. Return on asset is 1.6. Net interest margin is 2.61. Yield on advances is 9.96. So overall return ratio has given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to the efficiency ratio, we could see here that net NPA and gross NPA values are not provided, but we have already calculated the value from the data that we took from the Money Control website. So what is net NPA? Net NPA is the ratio of net NPA to the total advances. which is 0.64%. Gross NPA is the ratio of gross NPA to total advances. Now for tier 1 capital, we'll again have to go to the balance sheet of the company. Now here we could see tier 1 percentage is 13 and tier 2 percentage is 5. So we go to our program and put 13% and 5%. Now cost to income ratio, operating cost to asset ratio and cost of liabilities has one condition. Here we have to check on the Stock Edge app that whether the ratio value has increased or not. If it has increased, then put yes. If it has decreased, then put no. So coming back to cost income ratio, we click on the bars. Now we could see here it was 41.62 previous year, now it is 40.47. So it has decreased and hence no. Now coming on to operating cost to asset ratio, we click on the bars. We could see here from 1.94 it has decreased to 1.69. So it's again a no. And cost of liabilities, it has decreased from 5.86 to 4.55. So again a no. And earning per share of the company is 18.38. This is the trailing EPS. Now efficiency ratio has given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to the growth ratios. The first growth ratio is the EPS growth, which is 25.62. The second is advances growth, which is 53.87. For third ratio, that is operating income growth ratio, we have a condition here. We again have to check whether the value has increased. If it has increased, then put yes. If it has decreased, then put no. So here when we click on the bar, we could see that from 26.94 to 33.47 it has increased. So we put yes here. And we could see that growth ratio has given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Now coming on to liquidity ratio. The first is credit to deposit ratio, which is 101.41. The CASA, that is current account savings account, it is 36.46. Interest expended to total funds is 4.01. And interest income to total income is 6.49. So here we could see that liquidity ratio has given us a signal to not to invest in the company at this point of time. So overall, the program in its entirety has given us a signal to buy the stock at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. For queries, kindly write in the comment section below. Further, if any one of you wants to perform comparative or fundamental analysis of any of your particular stock, can write to me in the comment section below. Thank you.